Hey guys, this is Jerry. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you the keyless entry and central locking system available on the new MG HS. As always, you can find the timestamps down below on YouTube if you want to skip forward. Do not forget, you can check the link in the description down below for all the other MG HS tutorials on this particular channel. If you find my video helpful, the best way to support the channel is to subscribe and like. Now, let's get started. Alright, first thing is the key control. So on the top is the lock button, 3 flashes on the indicator, and unlock is just a still long flash. And to open or to just simply unlock the tailgate, you can push and hold this function key. Whether your vehicle is locked or unlocked, you can push and hold this function key to unlock your boot or to simply open your boot if you have a power tailgate. Push and hold. Just like that, the tailgate opens. That means if your vehicle was previously locked, you can see all your doors are still locked. If you don't have the power tailgate, the boot will just sort of opens and give you a somewhat clicking sound. That just means you can manually lift the boot open. Once you finish loading, you can press this button to lock it or pull it to lock it, depends on the function you have on your vehicle. As all the other doors are locked, the boot will now lock as well. You can see everything remain locked. On your driver or passenger front doors, you get these buttons over here. Because this one has a keyless entry system, as long as you have the car key with you, you just press the button to unlock and press the button to lock. Just like that. And because all the new MG HS has the keyless entry or keyless entry system available on the new HS, you do not have to unlock all the doors to go to your boot. You do not have to press the buttons on your key to go open the boot. You can just walk to the boot. As long as you have the car key with you, press this button. The boot will unlock by itself with all the doors remain locked. Again, when you shut it, everything locked. Of course, if you do not have the power tailgate, you have to manually lift the boot up and manually close it. In a couple scenarios, you may find the horn beeps for once or for 3 times, things like that. It just means maybe one of your doors are not fully locked. So right now, the driver door is not fully locked. I'm gonna click the lock button, just like that. That'll give us a horn to let us know some of the things are not fully locked. You just want to close it and lock again. No horn means everything's functioning as always. Or if you have left your car running or halfly running on the accessory mode, and you want to lock the vehicle, it's not allowing you to. Just like that, the horn will be engaged again. Next thing, if you have accidentally left your car key inside the vehicle after you stop the vehicle and you close the door, this will happen. A 3 horn will engage. Just give you a warning means your car key have been left inside the vehicle. So do not forget it. To open your fuel cap, it's on the driver's side for the petrol version for the New Zealand right-hand drive. And if your vehicle's central locking is engaged, you cannot open it. If your vehicle's central locking is disengaged, you can open it by pressing that, just like that. On the New Zealand Essence spec, your wind mirror will automatically fold in when you lock the vehicle, automatically opens up when you unlock it. But if you have the base or second spec, you do not have electronic retractable mirror, don't worry, open the door. You can find this button over here, press that at any time, not folding, press it again, that opens up, just like that. To open the bonnet, you want to pull this twice. Not like other cars, you pull it once, it's not going to open, you want to pull it first, second, just like that. If you have done the double pull, you can just lift the bonnet up, and it's got gas struts on both sides. In your car key, you can find a physical car key in case there's an emergency. Press this silver bar over here, open this cover, you can find the silver key over here. This is your mechanical car key. You can open this up to an L shape. On your driver door, under the door handlebar over here, you can find a small hole just underneath. You can push this key in and pinch this cover open. That means once it's opened, you get the mechanical key to insert inside to twist it left or right to lock or unlock at least the driver door if nothing is working, if the central locking is not working, if the vehicle car key is not working, or anything like that. Underneath your boot cover, you can find this small cover over here. Press this to open the cover, you are going to find a small switch with the arrow button to the left. So if you're stuck in the vehicle, you cannot open the driver door or passenger door or rear doors or anything like that. You can actually use this as an emergency release for the boot tailgate. Push this all the way to the left, then push the rear door open manually. Inside the rear doors, you can find this child lock over here. Push this down means engaging the child lock. That means this door handle will be disengaged. Anyone from inside will not be able to unlock the doors from inside. You can only unlock this door from outside. Push this up to disengage that. Now, when we're inside the vehicle, if your car key runs out of battery, you want to place your car key over here on your cup holder. You get the sensor over there. That means place it safely, either on the top or on the bottom, the other end. That allows you to start the vehicle even if your car key has no battery inside. Now, once we are inside the vehicle, we find the central locking buttons on the door side. Unlock, lock. Pretty simple. If it's locked, this light will light up. And when the central lock is engaged, there are a couple ways to disengage the central lock. One is press this button, or second is to pull the door handle on the driver's side. Or the central locking will be disengaged. Alternatively, if this is locked, if you go to the passenger or rear doors to unlock the central locking, they'll just unlock straight away, but all your other doors will remain locked, where you just need to press this button again to lock or unlock through the central locking. Additional feature, if your vehicle drives off to a certain speed, 15 km per hour in New Zealand versions, the central locking will be engaged automatically. There are also additional features we can find in the center screen. Swipe to the left, go to the vehicle, go to the convenience, and then we can see the unlock on power off. That just means when you drive off the vehicle, it obviously engage the central locking, but when you stop the vehicle, when you click the power off function, all your doors will be unlocked. After this function, after the power off, you can disengage that function if you do not like that feature, or engage this if you like that feature. Anyway, next is all doors or driver unlock doors using the unlock using keys. That just means if you use the unlock button on your car key, now it's unlocking all the doors. But if you select the driver door only, single click on the car key will only unlock the driver door, second click will unlock all the other doors. So you can choose whatever you like. Next, auto fold unfold. This is regarding to the wind mirror. You can engage and disengage this. I believe this is only available on the higher spec in New Zealand version. Next is the tailgate. You can push to unlock. That opens up just like that. Stop and press down. It's going to close just like that. You can also control the tailgate opening settings to low, medium or high. Medium, just the medium level. You can see over here, low is just like that. So you can adjust the maximum opening position to the tailgate if you like. Last one is find my car setting. I've explained on many other videos. If you can't find your vehicle in the car park, if your vehicle is fully locked, you just need to go to your car key and press the lock button from distance. That means the vehicle will give you feedback. The feedback can be flash plus horn or flashing or no feedback, whatever you like. So you can find your vehicle in the dark or in the big car park. Alright, that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you do not forget to subscribe, like. That's the best way to support the channel. As always, do not forget to check the playlist down below that allows you to go through every single features on the new MG HS once it's published on this particular channel. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.